All right, so for number 4, it's asking you to interpret p-value in context of the study that's going on, okay? So by definition, p-value is a probability, it's a conditional probability of getting the sample we got given that our null hypothesis is true, okay? So we have to look through all of this. Our null hypothesis in this one is not equal to, okay? So that not equal to, okay? Or actually, let me like read through some of these questions. So choice D says p-value represents the probability that there is no difference. That's not what we're looking at right now. That's our null hypothesis. We're not looking at the probability that is true, okay? And that's also going to throw off E because they're both talking about the probability that the difference is 0, okay? That's not what we're talking about. We want the sample we got, okay? That's talking about the null hypothesis. So D and E are out of the question. So our 3 choices are A, B, and C. Okay, so now remember, our null hypothesis is not equal to, not greater than, not less than, but not equal to. Okay, so if we look at A, it talks about difference in blood hemoglobin levels this large or larger. That would be signifying a greater than. So that's out of the question. This small or smaller for choice B, that's talking about a less than. So that's out of the question. Okay, so C is the only one left, but let's read through it real quick. So the p-value represents the probability that we get this difference in blood hemoglobin levels or more extreme. We don't know the direction that we're moving in because it's a not equal to. Okay, so our answer to this one is C. Okay, you got to read the choices really carefully.